As the all-color company, Portrait Displays provides services, products, and solutions for every single step of the content life cycle, starting at the studios, in the production, in the contribution, in delivery, on TVs, on PC or laptop products, even up to the retailers and directly to the homes. It's not just one specific type of technology, and it's also not a specific type of display. It can be everything.
Portrait is really an engineering company first, marketing second. We have an R&D group that looks at new technologies and how we can enhance those technologies. We have customers that come to us and ask for solutions as far as calibrating video walls, calibrating displays, new technologies that are coming out. And the thing about Portrait is we listen.
We wanted to be a well-functioning research organization. We didn't just want to be contributing to a product line, we wanted to make a difference in the scientific community. So our R&D team is very focused on documentation, full accurate testing, going through as many situations as possible, and producing quality work that can be patented or presented to the scientific community as a whole to enhance the field of color science. Our focus internally is more than just enhancing Portrait's products. We're wanting to enhance the experience for everyone in the industry, and we want Portrait to be on the forefront of that.
I think the valuable thing at Portrait is that we have a very great base of knowledge, whether that be in our communication with industry professionals or whether that be just in the people who we hire, the people who we take into the company. The people who have been working here forever have built up this very, very strong base of knowledge that we can only expand upon going forward.
What we find is that we see more gaps where we can provide better solutions that we might not be in already. That having that diversity leads to new conversations, which leads to increase of diversity, that we're finding new things that we can do. We're finding different places that we can grow. We're getting to see places where they don't have a good solution and help develop some really excellent tools in new sectors where they might not have a good color calibration solution right now.
The other interesting thing is we also know what's in our wheelhouse and what isn't. So if we hear of a solution that we think is strategic, that will serve the market, we will take that technology and we will enhance it or provide a solution to our customers. Contrarily, that if we actually have something that doesn't make any sense for us, we will walk away from that project. So we have an R&D team that looks at all the features that are coming out and how they can apply these new technologies to Portrait and keep us as a going concern.
We want Portrait to be seen as a research institution that is making a difference in the motion picture industry, in the creative industry, in the color science community.
One of the most important things is that if you work with Portrait Displays, we're not just leaving you alone with the technology itself. There's a huge team behind that that's also helping you to promote that technology or to get that message across to your customers and clients.
I think having Portrait DNA is to realize that all the products that come from Portrait Displays are created by a pool of people or a group of people that really care about what they're doing. When you consider a Portrait product, you're getting everyone's input. You're seeing the input of every single color scientist at Portrait. You're seeing every single person who works at Portrait come together to create this product.
Every one of us come from color. We all are passionate about color. It's in our everyday life. We look at it from both an engineering and scientific way, as also as a personalized way. So the Portrait DNA is, you love color, you come work for us, you'll be very happy. We're going to help build the future. We're going to continue to be around. Portrait DNA is going to be everywhere, not just with Portrait employees, but with anybody that engages with Portrait products.